When we look at the recent approvals for kidney cancer, nivolumab, ipilimumab was sort of the first of its approval that really approved based on risk classification. So risk classification is something we often did to sort of give a patient an idea of how likely they're responding, how they were going to do overall. But nivolumab, ipilimumab, the approval was for those patients with intermediate and poor risk disease by IMDC classifications. With pembrolizumab, and that is because looking at the data early on, and still to this day, the progression-free survival, overall survival seems to favor the sunitinib arm, although the data, as we have further follow-up, that getting closer. When we look at pembrolizumab and axitinib, as well as axitinib and nivolumab, the data shows that independent of risk classification, so good risk, intermediate, poor risk, there's a benefit. And so pembrolizumab and axitinib is really going to be for sure a new standard of care for those patients with good risk disease, an improvement versus sunitinib. I think it's going to require a little bit more of a discussion with the patient. Do you want to go with pembrolizumab and axitinib versus nivolumab and ipilimumab? Obviously, the data is very early at this time. What we do see is we have more long-term data with nivolumab and ipilimumab. Again, we have that 3-year follow-up, and we do see that the complete response rates seem to be higher. You never